Guys, I am Arun and you are watching Twinkle Paws, and in this video we are going to see about the choroid. So choroid is under the vascular tunic of the eye. So the vascular tunic, it lies internal to the fibrous tunic. We already know that fibrous tunic comprises of sclera and cornea. So below that there is another tunic which is called vascular tunic. So under this there are three structures: choroid, ciliary body and iris. In this video we are going to see about only the choroid, and in my next video I try to post video about ciliary body and iris. Okay guys, without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to see about the choroid. So what is a choroid? Choroid, you can see that the choroid is a thin membrane which lying between sclera and retina. You need to see this guys, because this choroid is a very thin membrane. It's not a thick membrane. It's a thin membrane. It lies between the sclera and retina. So I show you a picture. In this picture you can clearly recognize what is the choroid. Wait guys, I will show you the picture. So here you can see the human eye. So in this diagram you see that the first blue color coating is the sclera. You see that the first blue color coating is the sclera, and then there is a red color coating which is the choroid, and the yellow color coating of the eye is called as retina, which means choroid is lying between the sclera and retina, which means it is the vascular tunic. Vascular tunic is between the our two different tunics, fibrous tunic and the nervous tunic. It is between two different tunics. So now we are entering our topic. So it is between sclera and retina, and it is the loosely attached to the sclera by a lamina fusca. You need to remember this word, lamina fusca. So this choroid is attached to the sclera. So you know that sclera is the fibrous tunic, the layer above to the choroid. So it is attached loosely to the sclera by a arrangement called lamina fusca. There is a tissue or layer which is called lamina fusca. Using this, the choroid is attached loosely with the sclera except where the vessels and nerves passes through. So only in this lamina fusca there is no vessels and nerves passes, but except that all the region is filled with vessels and nerve system. And then the internal surface is in intimate contact with the pigmented layer of retina, which means the outer surface is contact with the sclera by lamina fusca. The inner surface of the choroid is contact with the pigmented or colored layer of retina. Okay guys, and then you know that the choroid, color of choroid is generally dark brown in color. They said that, but an extensive area above the level of optic papilla. Optic papilla means there is an optical opening or for the optic nerves, so above which there are two structures which is called optic papilla. So above that there is a layer which shows the metallic luster which is called tapetum fibrosum, which will present at the end of this PDF. So it is a color varying pigment from iridescent blue to the green. So its color is varying guys, and then which is called the tapetum of choroid. So this region is called the tapetum of choroid. Okay, and then these choroid have two regions, anterior and posterior. Posterior means back side of the eye, anterior means front side of the eye. So the posterior region you can see a perforation. Perforation means holes or the pierced region. So it is pierced by optic nerve, the posterior side of this choroid, and the anterior side is followed by ciliary body. The front side of choroid is followed by ciliary body. This ciliary body gives attachment between choroid and the our iris. So I show you the picture again. You can clearly see that. So the red color is the choroid. So you see the ending of choroid here. You see the ending of choroid here, and then you can see the ciliary body. So the ciliary body which gives contact between, this is iris, and this is the ending of choroid. So the ciliary body which gives attachment between the iris and choroid. So this is what I need to tell you. So this is what the line means. Okay, and then the structures. The tissues of choroid is principally made up of blood vessels. So the choroid tissue is principally made up of all the blood vessels and nerves with numerous pigmented cells. there are many pigmented cells present in choroid, and it is consists of following layers. There are 4 layers present in choroid. So I explain one by one. So the first one is the lamina suprachoroidea, and then this is a fibrous tissue. It has some elastic fibers, and it contains the pigmented cells or colored cells, which gives color, dark brown color to the choroid. And then lamina vasculosa, so which is the large blood vessel present in the choroid. I already said that there are many blood vessels form a tissue which is called choroid. And then lamina uh, cariocapillaris, so which is between these, there is a layer of network of fibroelastic tissue which is called tapetum fibrosum. They already mentioned in the first paragraph the tapetum of the choroid, which is called tapetum fibrosum. So this provides the metallic luster, the iridescent blue to the that color. So here only the choroid coat is devoid of some pigment cells and the blood vessel. So in this tapetum fibrosum, the choroid, I already said that choroid has many blood vessels and then pigmental cells, but in this region there is no pigment cell and blood vessel because it is a reflective layer. You see that tapetum fibrosum is built up of bundles of laminated areolar connective tissue. So they are superimposed. Superimposed means like this. They are arranged one by one. So they are superimposed upon the choroid to form a tendinous type of surface. So you know that tendon is a ligament which joins the bone. So like that there is a tendinous type of layer formed. This layer reflect back the light passing through retina. Okay. So if a light passes through retina, the choroid is the inner layer of retina. Okay. Which means retina and above which the choroid is present. So if the light entered through retina and then it reaches the choroid, it gets reflected back. So this is why when you see a dog or cat in night time, their eyes get reflected like a glowy structure you can see. This is the reason behind this phenomenon. Humans don't have this tapetum fibrosum, so we lack the tapetum fibrosum. So this causes the tapetum to glisten and exhibit various types of coloration. It according to the species. I already said that it differs for the species and the age of the animal. So this tapetum fibrosum is absent in man, monkey and some pigs. And then the last layer of the choroid is the lamina bassalis. What is a lamina bassalis? So it is a very thin and transparent layer which is made up of inner homogeneous and outer elastic layer. Okay guys, and our video is over. So it's about so there is a quick recap. It's about the choroid. Choroid is the portion of vascular tunic, like the first portion of vascular tunic, after which we are going to see the ciliary body and then iris. So if you find any difficulty in my teaching, kindly comment your experience in the comment section. I will improve myself. Okay guys, let me meet you in the next video guys. Until then, bye, take care.